So this year's role model is Nadia Wysote. And just to add, part of our selection process, our applicants have to go through an interview process. And this young lady right here, if I'm correct in saying, blew us away. I mean, she left us with goosebumps. That's one of the best interviews we've seen to date. I mean, she's even done well, much better than some of the adults that we've interviewed in the past.
Well, thank you, Tammy. Wow, I would just like to say that it is a real honor to be standing before you today as the Listuguj Role Model of 2015. Thank you to Tammy and her team for choosing me for this honorable role. And let me just say that it was really hard keeping this a secret for so long. I would also like to acknowledge the other nominees that were nominated for this role model, well, for the Listuguj role model, because to someone looks to you as a role model, so I would just like to congratulate you for that. Also, thank you to my parents for motivating me and believing in me and everything that I do, because I probably wouldn't be standing here right now if it wasn't for them. So tonight we are here to showcase the graduates of 2015 from high school, college, and university. Congratulations on completing the next step in your education. You're just that closer to accomplishing your biggest roles. And good luck in whatever you choose to do. I know you all will accomplish many things to be proud of. Thank you, Bilali.
Okay, so this is the new technology. She comes in with her phone and I'm still doing paper. All right? Congratulations, Nadia.